So hi everybody and welcome back to the Unreal Engine 5 full game tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 34 and in this video I have to correct a little bit from my last code something, and that is we implemented there our implementation of our live, and I forgot to set this one here. That was our check, our do once node for our def animation here. And we have to change the position, and what I mean with that is we added here all this code here, and now I want that when we died here I want just cancel the whole code here. And how you can make it is just putting here at the start of this event, or you can put it here if you like, or even you can disable this event timer. So there are many options. This is just prototyping. So what you have to do is just this one out. You can connect this one now directly here and put it at the start. It was just for my fast solution. It's perhaps not the best solution, but it works, which means when you are still in the fire, I get damage here. I would get damage, but now I have this one here. After I died, when I died, this is the section where I died, I call here, I set it to false. False means nothing. Don't execute code at all. So with other words, the whole code here will be not executed after I die, and that is my goal. All right, that was the little correction there, which I forgot to mention because I already had it. And now what we are going to do in this video is we create a widget. I will not create it from scratch. I just show you what you have to do. And in this widget is back to main menu widget after we die. So what I mean with that, can I demonstrate this fast? Have I set it up? Yeah, I have. So let's start this, go in. So you can see I walk again in. I lose life, I lose 1 hurt, then I lose again life, and now you can see all the widget here back is disappeared, and this widget pops up, and we can choose exit or back to main menu. I go back to main menu and then I can start again. All right, this is the thing what we are going to do now. And first of all, let's start with the widget. And like I said, I will not create the widget from scratch again because we already have created several widgets and it's similar. What I mean with similar is we have created, for example, this main menu here, this pause menu, right? So what you can do is, in my case, for prototyping, what I did is actually you should not do this because you should make a real widget with style and real coding. And so what I did here is just clicked on this one, right click, duplicate it, call it whatever I like. You can see I called it died. Let's call it died 2 here. Then I opened this one up. I changed just this name to game over. You can go here to text, select this, right here, game over. So I will not style now, that takes too much time, but you know what to do. You would style this now and set this one a little bit and so on and so on. Okay, let's skip this kind. You make this, and perhaps you even make here a better widget than this one, and then you select this continue, because exit we can use, continue perhaps, or even you can add here buttons for other options which you like. In my case, I just select this one and rename this one to main menu. This one, and you can see a little bit styling again, oops, then with, no, come on, this one, okay, and then this one here, click this one here, also call this one main menu, so that we know this button is the main menu. We have to use it in a moment anyway. Then compile, save. That's it already for my style. You of course should make this right, make a real style and pictures and buttons and all this kind of stuff. So I keep this one so, and compile one more time. I switch here, and now this was the old code, right? Exit we can keep, construct we can keep, but this continue we can't keep, so we delete all the continue code because we don't need that. And this continue code is renamed because I have renamed it here, and we have it as a variable, so this one is still here. Very nice. Still compile it one more time, and now what I need is go back to the main menu. In my case, my main menu, when I go here to level, I have a special main menu level. So with other words, I can press F2, copy the name, Control C for copy, don't change it, go back and then to your widget which you just created, go to the graph, and now you can here from this button here, main menu, just write here open level by name, and actually you paste in here the name. In my case it is just this level main menu. You comment this back to main menu, set the color perhaps, and then you compile, save, and you go design, and it's finished. You can see a prototype is very fast. Of course, it's just prototyping. You should make this right, but this works for us already. Now we go back to coding part, and the coding part is again in my game mode, and again the implementation from the last video where we implemented our die animation. That is here, is our die. Here was our character hurt. That was there we implemented the life count, and if the life count goes here, we die, and this one we just replaced, so we set it here in front. And now here when we continue, that was this part here, that was this old part here where we disabled the input, and I told you this is not the best solution. A better solution is just to create this widget which we just created. And now let's implement this one more time. I showed you already this one so that I go here fast and explain it. I hope you know how to do this. So first of all, what is new? I started with a other note here which I added, which is remove all widget. This is just for visuals, which means, let me show you, when I go here and start, I removed just all the widgets here. You can see I have here, while I'm playing here, this hurt, this life, this option menu and something like that. But when I die now, okay, why I'm not dying? Okay, this one is the wrong one. Let's die here. And when I die now, you can see the visuals, all the widgets are disappearing, and now I can select this and so on. So let's do this one here where I am. I don't know. That's not so important. So we continue with our widget. So the widget which we have is, that's why we remove all widgets. Then again, you make the thing what I already showed you, create widget. Then you select your widget which you just created, in my case die 2. Then you select this, add to viewport, and then you just add this one here. And then again, we need to set up input mode, UI only, and show mouse cursor because we want to select again. Okay, let's do this. You can see I made this one. I copy this one here, copy, paste. Here you write just get player controller. Here set input mode. And you can see UI only because we want just select a widget, and then show mouse cursor as well. Here, drag from this show mouse cursor, set show mouse cursor, and here a tick because we want to show it. We connect all the things what we have here, and you can see this is exactly that what I did here below. So this is this line here. We connect this one all together, and then you connect, instead of this one here where we disable the input, you connect it from here to the last do once node. And again, this is the do once node which we want to set to false, which is disabling the whole code after we died, so that this whole code here will be not activated at all. Good. Sorry. And with that we are already finished actually, because now let's see where I am. Let's go here, and then when I start this one, play from here, this was now our next widget, and you can see that should work on your side as well. And yeah, with that said, if you have any questions or any comments, like all time, write in the comment section. See you in the next video, and bye, and like all time, have fun and good luck.